Hello everyone, let's make granny diamond squares. These are beautiful squares made with alternating rows of your colors. I have already made 3 blocks and I will make my 4th one with you and complete my set. Let's start. To make this square, you will follow first 2 rounds are very similar to your basic granny square. You will make chain 4 or magic ring, whatever method you like. Slip stitch into the first and last and make your ring. Now let's make chain 3, which will be our first double crochet, and go back in the ring and make 2 more double crochets to complete your cluster. Our first round consists of 4 clusters with chain 2 in between these clusters. This is my second cluster, chain 2. Remember to crochet above your loose end. And this is the last cluster of this round. Chain 2, and let's join it with first chain 3. We have joined our 2 chains with the first double crochet, which was chain 3, and now we will slip stitch ourselves into this 2 chain space. We will start our color in the corner, so let's go there. Now let's start the second color, which will be color B from now on. Chain 3, which will be our first double crochet, and we will make our corner like we used to, which is 2 clusters and chain 2. Remember to take your yarn to the corner because we will start our 3rd round in the corner as well, so we will need it there. Chain 2 and complete your corner. Make second cluster. We will not chain above a cluster like we used to, just in the corners. This is done so that we get a very compact block. Third corner, chain 2, and last corner. Second cluster, and we will slip stitch and join in the first chain 3. Now we will slip stitch in the corner. We'll come to the corner so that we can start the next color. And we will use this second color, which is, and make our chain 3 and complete our cluster using this color. Remember to take the other yarn with you, because in the next space we will make use of it. Chain 2 and complete your corner, all the while crocheting above your second yarn. Third double crochet will be completed using yarn B. Now we will make our cluster in this space, and we will take our yarn to the next corner. So let's make our cluster. Complete your cluster using the other color, yarn A, and go to the corner. Chain 2 and second cluster of the corner. Use yarn B to complete the third double crochet and come to the next space and make a cluster using yarn B. Again finish the third double crochet using yarn A and come to the next chain 2 space and make your 2 clusters. If you are worried about this loose yarn, don't worry, because we will in the next round we will crochet above it. Let's use yarn B to complete our double crochet and this is the last corner of this round. As much as using 2 colors is end product of using 2 colors is colorful, vibrant, using them is surely not fun. Now to finish this round we will again use color A because we are going to slip stitch here in color A. This is what my block looks like after 3 rounds. 1 and 2 rounds were solid. In 3rd round we alternated between our 2 colors, and in 4th round as well we will alternate between our 2 colors. If you see here in my previous block that I have already made, now my corners are in yarn B. So I will slip stitch in the corner and start using yarn B. Let's go to the corner and carry our yarn B. I will carry both yarns on my crochet hook, but I will use only this yellow color yarn A to finish the slip stitch. Again both yarns, but only one yarn to finish my crochet slip stitch. And now I have reached the corner and I will use this pink color yarn B to make my 3 chains. Remember to carry along your other yarn because you are going to make next cluster with it. And we are going to use it in the 3rd double crochet to finish it and make. Now in this empty space we are going to make our cluster using yarn A, and this is the loose yarn from previous round, and we are going to take it as well and crochet above it so that we get a very neat and tidy end result. In 4th round if you have a look at this block, you will make 2 clusters of each color. So I have made 1 cluster, and now I will not change colors. Instead I will complete my cluster using same color and make 2nd cluster using same yarn in same color. Now I will change my color because I have reached the corner and corners are in yarn B. Chain 2, third double crochet means change of color. We will make 2 more blocks in the same color. Change color for the corner. Chain 2 for the corner. third double crochet, so we will change the color and make 2 clusters again using same color. Change color, and now we are in the last corner. We will change color again and make last 2 clusters of this round. Third double crochet will be finished using yarn B because we have yarn B in the corner. We will slip stitch using same color and finish the block. Let me cut the yarn and let's fasten. So this is what our blocks look like when we join them together. It's a nice motif. If you want to see, that's what it looks like on the other side, wrong side, and this is the right side. All that's left is to join them together with either tapestry needle or your crochet hook. Until next time, take care.